I'm Gregory Glazman, CEO and founder of NSYS Group, global leading provider in software of robotics solution for mobile phone testing, grading, evaluation. Yeah, we started this business in 2017 and we're exhibiting in IFA Reseller Park from 2019. I can tell you a story before. In our experience, one of the most interesting exhibition, maybe the most, was CeBIT. CeBIT, the last one, passed 2018. After that, it was cancelled. We saw this activity moved to IFA, and starting from 2019, we see that value of this event for our industry of secondary mobile devices is growing. We see more and more sense in doing business here, and we're really happy to participate every year in your show. I think the most interesting part is our robotic solution, which we're working on from 2020, but we supplied first robots in the beginning of last year 2024, and now we have very good feedback, nice experience of our current clients in many countries, mostly in Europe, but also in Latin America, even in Japan, and so we are happy to meet some of them here. They share their experience working with us. Our robotics really unique. You can use it both in stores for evaluation phone when you're doing trade-in processes and in warehouses where you can increase your effectiveness and reduce your cost for labor for doing testing and grading. I am very grateful to Jan for what he's doing for the industry. I know his vision is not about promotion of phone trading, but for circular economics, and I very appreciate it, and I hope he will succeed and move this industry more and more.